Rain of fish. We have often heard about the rain of fish, the rain of fish from the sky. In this image, we can see the fish are lying on the road, and people are picking them up. Every year for the past 100 years or so, the little city of Honduras has been experiencing very strange weather. This city, the Honduras, it is situated in the Central America, and this city has been experiencing a very strange weather and this rain of fish. Typically occurring in May or June, rain of fish is an annual weather event in which hundreds of fish rain from the sky onto the city streets after the severe thunderstorms. Actually, the rain of fish happens after thunderstorm, and it is an excellent incident in the city Honduras in Central America. This fish rain is also called lluvia de peces. Fish rain or animal rain has been a very common phenomenon around the world for centuries. One hypothesis means explanation. One explanation or one proof says that this type of fish rain happens for the cause of water sprouts. Water sprouts means a type of tornado, which are tornadoes and that move over water and sucks off small creatures living below the surface, usually fish, frogs, etc. And the water sprouts deposit those frogs, fish, etc. elsewhere. Actually, water sprouts or a type of tornado creates this type of event, and those tornadoes sucks up all the creatures like fish, frogs from below the surface of the water, and thus this tornado accumulates those fish or frogs or other types of such animal elsewhere, like on the street. However, water sprouts do not carry aquatic cargo at great distances. Aquatic cargo means the cargo, the material or the transported material that are transported through seas. We can see the aquatic cargo in this image. For business purpose, this type of cargoes are transported through seas, across seas. And this has been proved that waterspouts do not carry away this type of cargo from the sea. In the fish rain of Europe, the fish that are stranded or accumulated on the ground are not indigenous to local rivers or streams. This means that the fish that are carried away by that type of tornado are not from the indigenous or local rivers or streams, and those fish are from other places. Those fish are carried away from other places. In this image, we can see that lots of fish are lying on the road, and this has been caused for the fish rain. If the water spout theory were correct, then Euro's fish would have to come from the next closest body of water, the Atlantic Ocean, that's about 125 or 200 kilometers away. This means that the fish, the small animals like frogs, fish, are carried away from the nearby Atlantic Ocean, which is far away of about 125 or 200 kilometers from the city Euro. Local legend says that the fish rain event is actually a blessing bestowed upon the poor people of Europe. Legend says that Father Jose Manuel Sabidana, a Spanish missionary who visited the area, this means who visited the city Euro in the 1860s, prayed for the region's poor and hungry people, asking God to provide them with food. So, according to the legend, after hearing the prayer of that Spanish missionary, This type of event has been created to help the poor people of Europe. The fish rain can be said to be a boon on the poor and hungry people of Europe, as they get lots of fish on the streets from fish rain free of cost. Through this type of fish rain, lots of poor people or hungry people are benefited because they get lots of fish free of cost from the streets. So this was today's video, and we have come to know about the fish rain in your city. If this video is interesting to you, then please give a like for this video and share this to your friends and relatives. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we're meeting in the next video.